no chamo no where ni go a machine ni di egamo le di paramount chief ke ha asre abene where ni ayikan the third ni di paramount chief ke ha akomaje abene where ni da soma the wasatian na da soma le hu ya bi ene abene where ni adote otinto ni di sebria feche le no di cafe makralo abene where ni dodu nsaki ni di enyono le di paramount chief ke ha otublo traditional area abene where lofa manje ye wasatian where aboso kai manje ni di ni okai abose industrial chief le hu e wasatian ni jobu ni do mama ze abene esha gafe sanfle koko e achieta abene ba fa egbe ami ko fo wache ni no talk and draw ni ichabo ni eja ko se ngbe
aka ago ni le ale ago chebe ago His Excellency President Addo Akuffo. Inchame. Inyame. Manjame. Uloma. Oya wate. Azafa chame. Azafa nyame. Minya kola. You are done. Minya kola. You are done. Minya kola. You are done. Yai. Nana Obamade. Ochuno. Wa kwase. Flema apla. Ishon. You are there. What's in there? And a book in me. And a crashing. And a drum. And a tower. And a from a big, one night. They can't be better than in each of the banana, I can actually banana, not job, no matter for only action, I stand on the shores of history. This land runs the heartbeat of our ancestors. I welcome the future with the completion of the Jamestown Fishing Harbor. This project is more than a sealing stone. It represents the home of Kadangli, our growth, a new chapter for our people. I express deep gratitude to His Excellency the President and Government of Ghana, all for the operators of this fundamental program, bringing this dream to life. I stand here as a voice. I stand also as a voice of the Kadangli youth, whose heritage is rooted in this waters. I appeal to the Ministry of Transportation to ensure that the quota is allocated for the benefit of our young people. They must not be observers of this commercial advantage, of this major transformation, but they deserve a seat at the table, to benefit, to learn, and to try. We will partner as a state, design a technological institution of Prez, build a requisite skills for making ready the use of the current state for purpose. I take this opportunity to announce that the Grand Forum, special initiative under the offices of the Government Foundation, details which will be made public soon will be launched next year. This initiative will help the Ghana youth build a set of employable skills for various sectors of our economy. And so, we will celebrate today the good work you have done, and let us look forward, let us plan, let's prepare for the future of the country. I now call on the government to expedite the completion of the Kenkey school project, other initiatives in this region. Lift our people and restore pride of our coastal towns. We, the young people, are strongest when we are united. Today we see that our brothers from Nua, fully represented the Muhammad. Let our now. Therefore, let us ignore the little things that divide us and embrace what unites us. Let us reject the urge to self-sabotage and drive action towards practical development. As we prepare for the December election, let us choose peace with division. Let us uphold our democracy, for it is the foundation of our country. This is our time to build a unity.
Our candidates, fellow Ghanaians, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I stand before you filled with great joy as we gather to commission as Jamestown Fishing Harbor project a considerable national the realization of a long-held dream that began several decades ago. Over the decades, promises were made, hopes were raised, yet no substantial action was taken. But today, under the Akuffo government, we have moved beyond rhetoric to action. Jamestown finally gets the modern fishing harbor it has long deserved. Someone who was born in Swadabat, who grew up in Kodowoku, this is a particularly happy occasion for me, as this entire area is a playground of my youth. This is where I grew up. And being able, under my stewardship as President of the Republic, to generate this important infrastructure for the benefit of the people of the nation is indeed a source of exceptional satisfaction for me. I come fully aware of the critical role artisanal fishing plays in our economy and in the livelihoods of many Ghanaians. Made it a priority to transform the fishing industry. We took bold, decisive steps to improve conditions for our hard-working fishermen. Those who really enjoy sustains community and feeds our nation. The safe launching and landing of canoes with hygienic handling of fish, with the dignity of those engaged in this noble trade being at the heart of our policy. And it is these very policies that have brought us here today on this memorable occasion. I recall with pride the day in December 2018 when I came to Jamestown to cut the soil for this project. I made a solemn promise to you, the people of Jamestown, and under my leadership, this board will not remain a drawing board dream, but will become a reality. We were told by the professional game naysayers that it was a political gimmick which will not see the light of day. I followed through on that promise. In October 2020, I returned to inspect the progress, and today, here we stand together as witnesses to the fulfillment of that commitment. This plot is a symbol of hope, proof of the resilience and determination of our people, and a concrete manifestation of what we can achieve when we work together for the common good. It will create jobs, empower domestic economy, and revitalize the lives of the fisherfolk and traders of Jamestown. We will inject new energy into the heart of this community. And I have no doubt that its benefits will ripple across the nation. In May of last year, I inaugurated the state-of-the-art Almina Fishing Harbor. Another promise fulfilled. Despite the naysayers, those who doubted our resolve, we delivered. Just as Almina now thrives with increased fishing activities, so too will Jamestown become a hub of economic activity, growth, and prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, projects like these are not mere monuments to progress. They are vital lifelines, means to socio-economic empowerment, avenues for job creation, and stepping stones to improve livelihoods. The Akuffo government understands the power of infrastructure. We understand that agriculture and fishing are the backbone of our economy. With the power of the fuel industrialization, eradicate poverty, and elevate the lives of millions of Ghanaians. Today, some 2.6 million citizens rely on the fisheries sector for their livelihoods. In 2020 alone, this sector contributed some $263.2 million United States dollars to our nation's GDP. These numbers represent the hard work of men and women whose hands feed our nation. It's for them, for you, that we continue to invest in superior infrastructure, improved storage, and advanced handling practices to reduce both catch losses, improve fish catches, and ultimately reduce our dependence on imported fish. During the construction of this project, some 500 direct jobs were created, with the potential for many more as the port becomes fully operational. The modern offshore facilities provided here will enhance the quality of fish and storage. Now I'm happy to list an administrative building, a 200 capacity fish market stores, an ice making plant with a capacity of 60 tons per day, a cold store with a capacity of 200 tons, a repair workshop, a daycare center, and police and fire stations. These are not just buildings. They are investments in the future of this community. Take, for instance, the inclusion of daycare centers designed to allow our high-working mothers to trade with peace of mind, knowing their children are safe and cared for. This is governance with compassion. This is governance that empowers our women, strengthens our families, and builds a stronger, more resilient Ghana. I extend my people's gratitude to the overlord of the Ghana state, the Ghana, Nime, Name, and the whole Jamestown community. Your faith in my government has been infectious, and I thank you for standing with us as we work to make this dream a reality. Niger's personal commitment to this project, along with his visits to monitor its progress, exemplifies true traditional leadership. And I congratulate you, Niger, on this. Finally, the government and the people of the Republic of Ghana extend our warm appreciation to His Excellency President Xi Jinping, the government and the people of the People's Republic of China for the continued growth of strong relations between our two countries, and for their great contribution to this significant infrastructure development. Indeed, I had the good fortune last week in Beijing to have the honor and opportunity to meet with President Xi in a fruitful bilateral meeting as part of the 9th FROCA Summit. I must also commend Ghana's former ambassador to China, Ambassador Edward Watson, for the yeoman's job he did in helping to bring this project to fruition. To the board, under the sagacious chairmanship of former High Commissioner Isaac Osei, the other directors and management of the Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority, and to the shares time.
President,